Hey guys, how Facebook pays you money? Facebook pays you money mainly through monetizing your content. First of all, you can earn money in streaming ads, right? You earn when ads play in your videos, like YouTube. Secondly, Reels bonuses, right? You see those Reels, on Facebook, these ones, like the Instagram thing, they give bonuses each time you know you perform well in the market, right? So Facebook may pay you for high performing reels through programs. Nextly, stars. Viewers sending you stars during live streams, you get paid for them, right? So they have to actually buy the stars, in order to, show it, some kind of appreciation. So they will buy the stars and sending it through your live streams or your podcast, for example, and you get paid for them. Next, subscriptions. Fans can pay monthly fee to support you and get exclusive content, like in Patreon when you want to access, exclusive content, and for a small fee or for a small amount, you can get the exclusive content, right? Patreon does it, and Facebook also does it, right? Lastly, brand deals. You can partner with brands and promote their stuff through your content, and that will help you earn or generate more profit if your if your audience are appealed or you know attracted to that kind of brands. So you need to meet eligibility rules like number of followers, views, etc., and have a creator or business account. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next time.